Let us be real. The default Windows cursor is painfully boring. You use it all day, every day. So why not make it actually look good? In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your cursor using two simple websites. One for downloading ready-made cursor packs, and another where you can create your own custom cursor from scratch, or even from any image. Let us jump in. First, head over to DeviantArt. It is one of the biggest platforms for custom designs. In the search bar, type Windows cursor and hit enter. Now, click on any design that catches your attention. If you see a price, points, or a buy button, that means it is paid. Just go back and pick another one. For free options, look for the free download button. Once you find a design you like, click it, and the zip file will download instantly. Now quick heads up, even some posts that say free download only give you a preview image instead of an actual cursor pack. So make sure the post includes real cursor files or installation instructions. I have found some that actually provide the full cursor files. I will put those links in the description. Once the file is downloaded, right-click it and extract it. After extracting, you will see multiple folders with different cursor styles, like neon, fluent, monochrome, round edge, and more. There is also a folder called previews. Open that first. Inside the previews folder, you will see thumbnail images for each cursor style. This helps you quickly see how each design looks before installing it. Take a moment, scroll through, and choose the one that catches your attention. Once you find a style you like, remember its name, then go back to the main folder. Now open the folder that matches the preview you selected. For example, if you liked round edge, open the round edge cursors folder. Inside, you will see different variations, like different colors or versions. Pick the one you prefer, then open that folder. Inside the folder, look for a file named install.inf. This is the important one. Right-click it, click Install, and approve the prompt. Windows will automatically open the mouse properties window for you. Just click OK, and your new cursor is instantly activated. If you want to make it easier to see, you can also adjust the cursor size. Open Mouse Settings, go to Mouse Pointer and Touch, and move the size slider to your preference. Now for the second website, head over to cursor.cc. Here, you have two options. You can either draw your own cursor from scratch, using the pixel grid, or you can turn any image you want into a cursor. In this video, let us turn an image into a cursor. Go to Google Images, search for any icon or image you like, and save it to your Downloads folder. Now go back to cursor.cc and click Import Image on the left. Click Choose File. Select your image and hit Upload. The site will instantly convert it into pixel art. If your image has a background, use the transparent tool and erase everything you do not need until only your icon is left. Scroll down if you want to preview how it looks. Now, this is the most important step. Set your hotspot. Click the hotspot tool and choose the exact point where your clicks should register. Usually, that is the center or the main tip of your icon. Once that is done, scroll down and click Download Cursor. Before applying it, we need to move the file to a safe location. If you leave it in your Downloads folder, it might get deleted later, and your cursor will disappear. Now go to this PC, Local Disk C, Windows. Then open the Cursors folder, paste the file there, and approve any permissions. You can rename it if you want. Now let us apply it. Press the Windows key, type Mouse Settings, and hit Enter. Click Additional Mouse Settings. Then go to the Pointers tab, click Browse, and find your custom cursor file. Click Open. Then click Save As. Give your cursor a name. Then click Apply and OK. And just like that, your custom image is now your cursor. And that is it. You have completely upgraded your Windows experience. If you ran into any issues or found a cool cursor design, drop it in the comments. If this helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. I will see you in the next video.